Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you can see here, I actually have two packages here. But basically one was an extra gift. So let's get to it. So I picked these up from a watch brand called Filippo Loreti. So let's crack this open right here. Actually. So they make, I guess, a limited run of watches. So they only make a specific amount. Right there. Let's see, this is like the packaging that it comes in. It's a black box right here. And then open it up. A little slide out right here. Assuming these are probably like warranty pamphlets or instructions. Yeah. So you have the instructions manual right there. This is like their, I guess, like a welcome note here. And then the actual watch is over here. And a little wiping cloth, cleaning cloth right there. And let's just slide out. Again, that's their packaging right there. That's the brand. And here is the watch itself. I believe this was the Venice Moonphase in, you know, silver with a blue dial on it and the mesh right there. Very clean looking watch in my opinion, right there. And it's fairly lightweight as well. And let me open this. It's a clasp, as you can see. Opening. And do you have like the engraving in the back of the watch? But yeah, you do have the Moonphase dial. And again, very clean watch. And as you can see, it's not thick. It's a very slim profile on it. Basically, if you put it on, again, you know, that's how it's gonna look on the wrist, right there. And then let's open up this other package right here, which was a free packaging. Right here again, a black case. Again, your branding top. And open it, just slide out as well. Oh, well, there we go. It's like a little magnet to it. So, and it is a card holder, as you can see, in leather. A very nice leather right here, again with their branding, and it's just a business card holder right there. So, okay, very nice touch on this free gift. I don't know if it was just from, since this was I think they limited each piece that they had to about 30, I believe, if I remember right. I don't know if that's the only reason why they gave this free gift, but shout out to them. Again, very clean watch, very classy looking. You can pretty much wear it with anything. And there you go. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.